Hello, today's lesson is 13-3 and it's called Perimeter of Common Shapes. You have found the perimeter of a shape by counting units or adding the side lengths. Today you'll find the perimeter of a shape when not all side lengths are given. For example, we're looking at a shape that has one side of 4 inches, another side of 4 inches. We have to figure out what the whole entire perimeter is. In this case, we would add 4 plus 4, and we would do it again. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 to get all the sides of this square. And then we know 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. 16 inches. So on our paper today, we saw the rectangle with a shape, the length of 5 inches by 3 inches. And we thought about how we had to add those twice to get the full perimeter. And then we saw an equilateral triangle. We knew all 3 sides were the same length, and we knew each side was 3 inches. So we had to add 3 times, we had to multiply 3 times 3 to find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. So this is a square, and we were only given the length of one side, but one thing we know about squares is that all the sides are the same length. So 5 times 4 will give you your perimeter. 20 is the perimeter for the square. Now here's a tricky one. You've got a strange shape there with 8 on one side and n on the other. How can you use subtraction to figure out what n equals? Well, if you say the whole thing, the long side is 8, take away 2 here that says that this side is 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, so n is 6. It's 6. I know because 8 minus 2 equals 6. And this one for practice. Pause the video if you need to add these up. Should get 24 because 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 again is 24. And these llamas or alpacas, they're confused. 8 plus 4 is 12, not 24. They forgot they have to add the lengths twice and the heights twice. Darla drew an equilateral triangle. Each side was 9 inches long. What was the perimeter of the triangle? 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27. How do we know the lengths of the other sides of the triangle? Well, if it's equilateral, all 3 sides are the same length. Cora uses ribbons to make 3 different sizes of bows. How much more ribbon does it take to make 2 large bows than 2 small bowls? Explain how you found your answer. Pause the video to look at this question, think about it, and solve it on your own. You need to add the length of 2 small bows, 27 plus 27. You need to add the length of 2 large bows, 49 plus 49. You need to subtract one sum from the other sum. 98 minus 54 finds a difference of 44, so your answer is 44. The base of the glass house is a rectangle. What's the perimeter of the base of the glass house? Well, it looks like it says the base of the glass house is 56 feet long, 32 feet wide. To solve, I would do 56 plus 32 plus 56 plus 32. 176 altogether. We played a game when we were done today, and that was it.